Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
The FN key toggles alternate functions on F1 through F12 keys. It lets keys control volume, brightness, media, and wireless features. The FN key often sits near the Control or Windows key on laptops. Some keyboards show icons to indicate alternate functions on the keycaps. Manufacturers implement FN behavior differently across models and brands. You can often change FN default mode in BIOS or vendor software on your laptop. Changing the setting can make F1 through F12 act as standard function keys instead. You can change FN default mode in BIOS, UEFI, or keyboard driver software. Enter BIOS by pressing the manufacturer key during boot and look for action key settings. Some laptops include an FN lock key or use FN plus ESC to toggle lock. In Windows, manufacturer utilities or the registry can swap behaviors for FN keys. On Mac OS, System Preferences lets you choose whether F1 through F12 act as standard function keys. Always save changes and reboot to apply new FN settings. Hold FN while pressing F keys to perform multimedia or hardware actions quickly. Use FN with arrow keys for brightness and volume adjustments on many laptops. Gaming keyboards often use FN plus numbers or letters for macros, lighting, and profiles. If FN shortcuts do not respond, check for a physical FN lock or toggle on the keyboard. Update keyboard drivers and firmware, and verify BIOS settings to ensure proper FN behavior. If hardware switches exist, verify they are enabled and test with another keyboard when possible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.